In the digital age, speed matters. Ever wondered why some websites load in a flash while others feel like they're stuck in molasses? Let's break it down. First up, hosting. Think of it as the home for a website. A good host can make a world of difference. Websites on shared hosting often struggle because they share resources with many others. This can slow things down, especially during peak times. On the other hand, dedicated servers or cloud hosting can provide the speed boost needed, as they offer more resources and better performance. Next, let's talk about website design. A cluttered site with heavy images, videos, and flashy animations can drag down loading times. Websites that prioritize clean, efficient design tend to load faster. Optimizing images and using modern formats like WebP can significantly reduce file sizes without sacrificing quality. Then there's the code. Well-written code is like a well-oiled machine. If a website has bloated or outdated code, it can slow down performance. Developers should focus on clean, efficient coding practices. Minifying CSS and JavaScript files can also help, stripping away unnecessary characters and spaces to reduce file size. Another factor is the use of content delivery networks, or CDNs. These networks store copies of a website on multiple servers around the world. When someone visits the site, they're connected to the nearest server, which speeds up loading times. It's like having a local branch of a store instead of having to travel to the main location. Browser caching plays a crucial role too. When a user visits a website, their browser saves certain elements, like images and style sheets. The next time they visit, the browser can load these elements from its cache instead of downloading them again. This can drastically reduce loading times for returning visitors. Let's not forget about mobile optimization. With more people browsing on their phones, websites that aren't optimized for mobile can load slowly. Responsive design ensures that a website looks and functions well on any device, improving user experience and speed. Page size matters as well. A website with a smaller page size will generally load faster. Developers should aim to keep page sizes under 2 MB. This means being selective about what elements to include and ensuring that everything is optimized for speed. The number of HTTP requests can also impact loading times. Each element on a web page, like images, scripts, and style sheets, requires a separate request to the server. Fewer requests mean faster loading times. Combining files, using CSS sprites, and reducing the number of elements can help streamline this process. Lastly, let's talk about external scripts. While third-party services like social media buttons and analytics tools can add functionality, they can also slow down a website. It's essential to evaluate which scripts are necessary and to load them asynchronously when possible, allowing the rest of the page to load without waiting for these external resources. In conclusion, website speed is influenced by a variety of factors, from hosting and design to coding practices and external scripts. By focusing on these elements, website owners can create a faster, more efficient browsing experience. After all, in the fast-paced world of the internet, every second counts.